So here is my pyro musical for Sparkys Fireworks Outlet 2015 Customer Appreciation Day. This is front 1 of 5 and a 200 feet front. Got 6 meter, 4 second fountains, some flames, some Dominator 13 shot slices. We're using a Cobra with 31 modules and an audio box on 4.0 firmware. Loose antenna. We have over 200 frontal effects. In addition to the pyro musical, which is going to be about 13 minutes long, we've also got another show afterwards we're planning on doing. Got some M25s all wired up. This is the left station. This is the body of the show. Hooked up to 2 Cobra mods. Got some lemon and purple go-getters. Number of items: Kingbird, Winda, Big, Black Label, World Class, Red Rhinos, a number of stuff. So that's the front station. We got candle rack there, 5 of them in total. This is part of the second show. Using a Dewey. Good old Deweys. We have some lollipops up there. We also have a waterfall stretched across there. They're setting up now a USA flag set piece with lances. It's about 5 by 8 feet. Lollipops are basically 13 shot cake slices, except with multiple shots, and they're angled down and up, so it's a giant sphere of fireworks basically. This is front 2. This is the middle body. Right there's the middle. This is part of the second show. This is the middle front 3. It's front 2 and front 1. So we have a number of stuff: raining steel, some more Cobra mods, cake slices, fountains, flames, strobes. Some more candles. More part of the second show with the Dewey. Some AFW, Kingbird, Spirit of 76, Winda, Dominator. This is front 4. Same setup as front 2. Going over here at the right station. And that's front 5. So it's gonna be a pretty good show. I'll post a video of that once it's rendered and good to go.